case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In the world of classified business directories, a potentially game-changing copyright case saw BellSouth Advertising and Publishing Corp., BAPCO, lock horns with Donnelley Information Publishing Inc. in 1993. This landmark case, tried by the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit, grappled with a universal question in copyright law: what constitutes originality? A new controversy stirred when BAPCO, owner of a valid compilation copyright in its Yellow Pages directory, claimed Donnelley had copied a portion of their material. Adding fuel to the fire, Donnelley admitted to using information from each listing in BAPCO's directory while compiling their own. The district court identified 3 instances of copying on Donnelley's part, prompting them to rule in BAPCO's favor on the copyright infringement claims. Unwilling to take the lower court's decision on the chin, Donnelley appealed, holding the copyright validity of the Feist Publications case in their arsenal. The Supreme Court case had clarified that copyright protection applies not merely to any collection of facts, but to original selections, arrangements, and coordination of these facts. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, however, had a twist in the tale waiting for BAPCO. Despite their initial victory, they failed to convince this court that their directory selection and arrangement processes bore the required level of creativity and originality. The essential litmus test lay in whether BAPCO's efforts could be deemed an original selection of facts, rather than simply the means of discovering those facts. The court ruled that BAPCO's directory was unoriginal in its layout, labeling it as typical in its genre, rendering it ineligible for copyright protection. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of Donnelley, refuting BAPCO's claim that Donnelley had copied the heading structure of their directory. In fact, the court deemed that BAPCO's heading structure, in and of itself, could not be considered an original expression that warranted copyright protection. This sweeping verdict shifted copyright law's perception in classified directories, turning the tide in Donnelley's favor. The former victor BAPCO was left in the dust as the district court's decision that was once in their favor was dramatically reversed. The final call was that Donnelley had not infringed upon BAPCO's copyright, since no original elements were copied in the making of their directory, revolutionizing the landscape of copyright laws in this field.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.